Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust font size on your Android phone. Now, let's get started. First, open your keyboard apps, your keyboard at your phone, and after this, in here you can see the setting icon. This one, click on it. And after this, in here you can swipe down until you can see a font size, this one. So you just click on it, and after this, in here you can swipe this icon to medium or the high. Okay, I wanna choose to the medium first, and you can click on your show keyboard at the bottom. Okay, this is the medium and this is the large, medium, small, medium, large, medium, small. Okay, like this, and after this you can click on the size that you want, and you can go back and finish. So that how to adjust font size on your Android phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.